So hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this YouTube channel CMA update. I thought let's make this video to make certain things very clear to all of you, which again emanates from a recent live session which was done by Padmanabhan sir. So all those who have attempted December 2020 turned into January 2021 attempt CMA examination of inter or final, this information is relevant for all of you. Guys, you need to understand the three words which are very important for you. These three words do not signify some meaning, but it also signifies next stage in which exam will prosper, or the stage in which exam will now be conducted in future. What are these three words? These three words are reschedule, re-exam and result. What is reschedule? Rescheduling means those students and only those students who have not got admit cards, approximately more than 4,000 in number, who have not got their admit cards, who are not given an opportunity to appear in the examination because of COVID restrictions. In certain districts of the country, those students will first of all be given an opportunity to appear in the examination. That is stage 1. Rescheduling of the examination is only for those who have not been able to give the examination due to the reason that admit cards were not issued to them. This is the stage 1. Stage 2, re-examination. Now what do you mean by re-examination? Re-examination means those students who faced general technical glitch which can be attributed to the system lapse. They will be given an opportunity to again appear for the examination. Now those students will be categorized into two parts. Category number 1, those students who had given the original examination in the month of January, and a part number to those students who had appeared for the rescheduled examination. Both those students clubbed together will get an opportunity to appear in the re-examination only and only if institute has got a valid proof that technical glitch had happened due to system lapse. Institute will call out a report, a system generated report, which is known as SGR, and using this report, Institute will ascertain that in both the examination, the initial examination as well as the rescheduled examination, who were the students were faced technical glitch, only those students will be given one more opportunity to reappear for the examination. This is stage number 2, re-examination. I have seen certain messages in which students are saying that Pappan sir has recommended that re-examination will happen for all the students. This is not true, guys. Re-examination is not supposed to happen for all the students. Re-examination will happen for those students who has faced genuine technical glitch in the first phase of the examination which has conducted on Sunday, and the second phase of examination which is rescheduled examination. Those students who have faced the technical glitch in either of these two examinations, they will be appearing again for the examination, which is stage 2 re-examination. So stage 1, rescheduling for 4,000 students who have not got that admit card. Stage number 2, re-examination for all the students who have faced a genuine technical glitch due to system lapse or a system error. SCR will be generated system. Generated report, that report will tell the name of the students who have faced genuine problems in appearing for the examination. They will get a chance to have a re-examination. And the last stage is results. But the results cannot happen unless and until the first two stages are cleared. So we have to wait patiently. I just thought to make this video to make these three words clear which Padmanabhan sir said in the live session. So implicitly, guys, taking hint from these three words, I can well foresee that the result of CMA inter and final examination will not come before the third week of February. So I think we have to wait bit more for the examination results to be out, because first schedule examination will take place, then second re-examination will take place, and third will be result which will be out. So yes, wait patiently for the examination to be conducted completely. Those students whose reschedule examination will happen, the notification will be out soon. Two students who will be then be eligible for re-examination, their result will also be out soon. But rescheduling and re-examination is not for the entire community. It's not for the entire population, it's only for selected few students who are facing some problems during the examination. So thanks for watching guys. At last I would like to tell you, do like, comment, share and subscribe for more up. So hello and welcome.